On trees that have leaves, on a branch there's a terminal bud at the very end, and on the sides where you can see the bud, these are lateral buds. Now if I trim back to a lateral bud here, I want to cut at a 45-degree angle and a 1/4 inch past that bud. What that does is it stimulates this bud to now, which may have been only just leaves, but there's chemicals within the tree that will stimulate this bud to send out another branch. The best type of clipper is this type, which is a scissors or bypass, where this is the cutting blade here. This provides the cleanest, nicest cut. There are some that are called anvils, where the cutting blade comes down and it presses against this part flat on it. Those tend to tear, and it's not as nice a cut as these. And you want to give your plant the nicest, cleanest cut so it can heal up quickly. Now those chemicals, they will stimulate this bud to then form a branch. And when you're trimming up close to, I'm going to take this whole branch off, there's a collar right here where the branch is. You don't want to cut into that collar, you want to cut on the outer side of it. There are chemicals within that collar that will help to heal that wound, close it up, making the plant less susceptible to disease and rot and then those things. But thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, share, like, and make a comment below. Thanks.